If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover.
They need me, they call me.
Oh, they do?
You idiot, bro! Careful, extra careful ka. Masod na ng ito. Masod ka. Abot ka mo. Hinihingi siya. Oh my God! That's not siya. Abot ka mo. Hinihingi siya. Oh my God! That's not siya.
am640.com. Go to the iHeartRadio app. Go to wherever you get your podcast. Punch in Monk and Merrill, and don't miss it. I mean, we had a lot of great conversations today. A lot of great conversations. And now it is time to see if we're saving carne asadas or not. Are they the latest to die in Los Angeles?
Los Angeles is now mandating that everyone become vegan.
City Councilwoman Monica Rodriguez is on the phone. We've been wanting to talk to you all day. I know it was a long council meeting. I'm glad you could jump on here at the end of the show to help us understand these new red flag warnings.
Jack the whole time she's been in office, and I just wasn't going to let that lie. And, you know, for someone who has also been advocating very strongly about building and construction in the city, she had also attempted to try and
It's 2 lanes.
Right up to the cops right now. You're driving reckless. I'll pull right
It
up
was
to the
2
cops.
lanes. I have a dash cam.
Go ahead. I'll pull right
It
up
was
to
2
the cops.
lanes.
What are you doing? God! I need your insurance card.
It's a rookie mistake. You know, he was excited. He made the play, everything. But, you can't hold it against a guy too bad for that. He's a young kid and whatnot moving forward. Now he got talked to and was like, yeah, don't do that, and we'll figure it out. And honestly, this Sunday made me feel better about paying for my tickets in LA for this weekend. Because
A couple days ago, my son was on his way to work, I-25, getting ready to exit, kind of a backup. He was in the right lane, keeping his distance. This lady pulls right out in front of him, slams on her brakes. We think it's an insurance fraud deal. What a piece of crap.
Jesus.
Ya llegó Erika. Y se va a ir. ¿Cómo le tomamos foto? Sí.
Veo las placas. Aquí en la cámara veo las placas.
Un chabuzón. Aquí está.
He catches that ball, prepares to put it in his left arm, and you know the stiff arm is going to be. There's absolutely nothing you can do about it. He is hard to bring down, and it's unfortunate for the defenders to have to tackle him. Unfortunate for the defenders to have to tackle him.
Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation.
I think that's shit.
But whoa, buddy.
I am so sorry, dog.
Hey, I'm paying attention too. I knew that shit was coming.
God damn.
Yeah, I knew.
that's the hash mark.